this 10th anniversary ng PSA, kaya no, na ating masasaksihan at marami pang palaro ang ating matutunghayan sa magaganap ngayong hapon na ito.
There is one thing is for sure. Always embrace your negativity and imperfection.
One of the highlights is the Bahaghari competition.
Ladies and gentlemen, our candidates for Bahaghari ng PSA 2023 and their production number.